Okay, we got Jasmine here, and Jasmine's pushing the object with her nose, so I'm not going to reward that any longer. So it has to be a nose touch without a push, and we're shopping for front. So here we go. Jasmine reset. Turn on our timer. There we go, that's a front, so 1. Oh crap, just rewarded the push. That was a front. She finally brought her nose up there. I don't want you to push it, dear. That was a front. So that's 3. Not going to reward that. There you go. That was a front. It's 4. There you go. It's a front, that's 5. That was a front, that's 6. 6 out of 7. You goofy girl. 0 on our timer. Reset my dog. She's quick. That was a front, even though it was a push. Dang it. That was a front, that's 2. Front, that's 3. That was a front, that's 4. That was a front, that's 5. That's 6. Front, that's 7. Front, that's 8. That's 9. Front, that's 10. Front, that's 11. So 11 out of 11. I know, goofy girl. So we're going to stick. Try not to reward the pushes. Don't want pushes. We want front of your nose. Okay? You ready? That's a front. That's a front. 2. That's a front. It flips actually. 3. That's a front. Mouth on. That's a mouth on. 5. 6. 7. 8. Oh, crap. 9. Getting some pushing there. 10. 11. 12. 13. And let that push. We got 13 out of 14, so we're going to push to the next level, which is front of nose, shopping for lips. You got that, Missy? That's front, lips, 1. Front. Front and lips 2. Front. Front and lips 3. Lips 4. Oh, I need to push it. lips 5. Front and lips 6. Front and lips 7. 7 and not sure because I don't think I reset my counter last time. It's not 29. But we don't have enough to push. So we're still shopping for lips. Not that miss? Still shopping for lips. We're going to pay on front of nose. We're shopping for lips. Front. 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 Let's see if you're using your lips or not. Front. Front and lips, that's 1. Front. Front and lips, that's 2. Front. Front. So 2 and 12. We set our counter, grab some more treats. You ready to go again? Shopping for lips. Paying nose touches that are not pushes. That was a front. That was a push. There's a front and lips. It's 1. Front and lips, that's 2. Front and lips, that's 3. Front. Front and lips, that's 4. Front. Front and lips, that's 5. Front and lips, that's 6. Front. Front and lips, that's 7. Mouth on, it's 8. 8 and 13. Push or no push? Let's be brave and we'll push. We're gonna go criteria of lips, shopping for mouth on. What do you think, Jazzy? Can we do it? Is that my dog? Give her 2 treats on that. Oh, nose touches still. That was lips. Probably missed one there. That's lips. 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 I think. Let's see. Lips. 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 So we got 9 lips. Okay, so we are sticking. Go one more time. We're going to get that mouth going. You can get the mouth going. Reset the camera too. Okay, you ready? All scattered. I reset too much. Lips. 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 I don't know if that was truly lips. That was lips. Lips.